The side lying quad stretch primarily stretches the quadricep muscles in the front of the thigh as well as the hip flexor. To get started, there are a few ways to get set up. I like to begin by lying face down on the floor with your arms extended straight out to the sides, forming a T shape with your palms pressed into the floor. Then rotate onto your side while keeping the bottom arm extended back and out to the side with your body positioned in a straight line. I like this arm position as it provides a nice stretch in the shoulder and chest. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can simply lie down on one side on the floor, then extend your bottom arm straight out front to the side for support, or bend your elbow to rest your head on your hand. Bend the top leg at the knee, bringing it closer to your glutes while keeping the knee pointing straight ahead. Reach back with your top hand and grasp the ankle of the top leg. Ensure that both knees stay close together during the stretch as you gently pull your top heel towards your glutes while your knee is bent. Avoid letting the top knee drift too far behind or in front of the bottom knee, while keeping your spine in a neutral position to avoid excessive arching or rounding. Hold for the desired time, then let go of your ankle, rotate to the other side, then switch legs and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.